Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to reveal one of my earning in one of my faceless niche for the first time. There's this video that got 1 million views on YouTube, and I decided to share with my audience how much YouTube actually paid for that 1 million view. There are a couple of reasons why the earning might be low and might be high comparing to other creators that reveal their earning for 1 million views. Now, one of the reasons has to do with the geography, the traffic source. Is it from United States? Is it from Canada? Is it from United Kingdom? Or is your traffic source coming from, or which is the geography? Is it coming from country like an African country that has a very poor RPM? And then another one has to do with the video RPM too. So in this video, I'll be revealing step by step all the details of that video, but I'll be covering the video, the YouTube channel actually. So now let's go to the screen. Let me show you how much YouTube actually paid for 1 million view. So right now, I want to open my YouTube Studio app. So now once I open the Studio app, I'll now click on Analytics. So now once I click on Analytics, the video is still the top video on my channel. And the video in the last 28 days, I have almost 80,200 views on that particular video. So now let me tap on the video to see. And then let me click on the video to see the end. So as you can see, I already had 1,083,019 views on this video. And this video was published like 2 years ago. So now if you scroll to audience retention, this video is about 10 minutes long and I have almost 3 minutes audience, the numbers of time they stayed on that video. So now if you navigate to the reach, you realize that this video has produced so far 17.7 million impressions so far. And then the click-through rate of the video is 5.1. And then my traffic source basically from suggested video, and then followed by YouTube search and browse features. So now let's go to engagement of this video. Now this video actually produced a total of 52.9k watch hours so far. You see how crazy that is, right? You know, the required numbers of watch hour for monetization is just 4,000 watch hour, and here there's a video producing 52, almost 53,000 hours, and it's just a faceless niche. Like, that's one of the advantages of creating a faceless channel. I created this video in less than 1 hour. So if you want to learn how to create a faceless niche, indicate your interest in the comment section. So now let's navigate to the other one, which has to do with the audience. Like I said earlier, this is one of the factors that affects my earnings very, very well. Now from the age brackets, I have 25 to 34 as the highest numbers of people that have been viewing the video. And then most of the gender are female. So right now, let's come to the top geographies like the country. The reason why the earning might be low or higher compared to some other creators that reveal the numbers of money paid for 1 million views, it depends on the geography and then the RPM. Some country advertisers pay higher, way higher than other countries. So now for the sake of this video, my top audience here are from Brazil, followed by India and Mexico. So if you can give or take for a faceless niche like this, if you're going to consider Brazil, we'll be looking at probably $1 per 1,000 view as the RPM. So now let's go to the earning right now. Revenue. Wow. Revenue so far, I got $964.64 37 cents on this video for 1 million views. It's good considering the fact that I just don't spend so much time to create this video, and it's not the only video on my channel. It's one of the video among several videos that I've created. And the RPM for this video is even reducing. It's not even up to $1 anymore. The RPM is 89 cents, and then the CPM is $1.45. So as you can see, this is exactly how much, without hiding it. The only thing I'm going to hide here is just the video title. This is exactly how much it will pay me for this particular video for 1 million views. Wow, for 1 million views. So crazy, right? Well, it's okay. It's okay. To me, I so much thank the YouTube community for this amazing result, actually. So, if you want to see more videos on this, revealing how much and how to calculate your tax and how to solve Google AdSense problem, remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share. And maybe the next time I will share how I do manage 5 YouTube channels. Man, it's so like as a full-time YouTuber. So I'll share that on this channel subsequently. Remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you.